in the number 3 with the up-headers, and we have Jesse with the JS 316.5. They are going to run a demolition derby for a few minutes. Let them bang each other up, and then we'll straighten them up and do a drag race. And we have trophies for first, second, and third. Are you kids ready to derby? Not a race. We're going to do that after the derby, okay? So if I can get the crowd to go with me, we'll start them down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, kids. Take each other out. In a straight line. There goes the hood. Isabella's got self-destruction. All right, I guess we're going with the race first. I got a different program. Good way to start the season. It looks like Isabel's just going to drive it home.